Ingredients: noodles, 200 grams of rice noodles, specifically for pad thai. Protein, optional as desired, 200 grams of chicken, thinly sliced or peeled shrimp, or alternatively, 100 grams of tofu cut into cubes. Vegetables and additions: 2 eggs, 3 cloves of minced garlic, ½ cup of green bean sprouts, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions, 1/4 cup of roasted, chopped peanuts, a pinch of red chili powder, optional. Sauce: 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste. Or substitute with lemon juice mixed with a little sugar, 1 tablespoon sugar, or adjust to taste. Final additions: juice of 1 lime, can be served on the side, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Instructions: 1. Prepare the noodles. Soak the rice noodles in warm water for 15 to 20 minutes until they soften slightly, then drain and set aside. 2. Prepare the protein. If using chicken or shrimp, season with a pinch of salt and pepper. In a large skillet or wok, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. 2. Add the protein, chicken/shrimp or tofu, and cook until done or lightly browned. 2. Remove from the pan and set aside. 3. Make the base in the same pan, add the remaining tablespoon of oil and the minced garlic. 3. Sauté quickly until fragrant, being careful not to burn the garlic. 4. Add the eggs. Crack the eggs into the pan and stir them with the garlic until they start to set, similar to making scrambled eggs. 5. Combine noodles and sauce. Add the soaked rice noodles to the pan. Pour in the fish sauce, soy sauce, tamarind paste, and sugar. 5. Stir well so that the flavors meld together. 6. Add protein and vegetables. Return the cooked protein, chicken/shrimp/tofu, to the pan. Add the green bean sprouts and chopped green onions, and stir fry for a few minutes until the vegetables remain slightly crisp. 7. Serve. Transfer the pad thai to a serving dish. Sprinkle with chopped peanuts and, if desired, a pinch of red chili powder. Serve with lime juice on the side to add a sour touch according to taste.